mapapanood nyo in one episode. They're spread out throughout the episode. So, in this episode, ilang girls sa isang episode? Mga 6. I think mga 8 girls in an episode. Tapos, palit-palit sila. At may iba-iba silang mga portion dito.
So, Salome,
Hello po.
yeah, ayun na. Hindi ba kayo magkakasapawan? Yeah.
I think naman
Knowing
na...
you kasi, ang galing-galing mo.
Sakto
Talagang
lang,
hindi pwedeng
pwede
hindi
na.
mapansin.
I think based on my experience with shooting, lahat kami nabigyan.
With Canva, of course, together with Kuya. Everything is comfortable.
Yeah. So, okay ka na. At least comedy ang pagbabalik mo, magiging masaya ka. Dahil,
Masaya.
siyempre, alam namin na naging malungkot. Diba?
Yeah, it was hard surviving a life. It's been like a tunnel tragedy for me. Yeah, and yeah, I'm so lucky na it's still up. No, mahugot pa rin for to continue life. And this project is one of my parang playground na nung bumalik ako, para akong namapa ulit. So from my personal experience from the dark, parang biglang nagbago na parang, I was like parang day one. Yeah. The good thing lang is, masaya. So yun, nagko-complement yung energy and probably, yeah.